Did you know that every year approximately 600 children die as a result of being hit by a motor vehicle? Watch this video to find out how you can help get that number down. Hey everyone, I'm Tim Hiller of Hiller Comerford Injury and Disability Law. With school in session, there are more children out on the streets as pedestrians. Even if your child takes the bus to and from school, the fact remains that all of our children are exposed to parking lots, driveways, and other areas where cars frequent. The first key to understanding this problem is to understand why children are at such higher risk. Although it may seem obvious, it's important to remember that young children in particular simply are not capable of understanding traffic rules and risks. In addition, experts say that parents and caregivers often overestimate their children's traffic knowledge and skill. Finally, children struggle to correctly gauge the speed of vehicles when compared with adults. This puts them at greater risk for injury and death when they are dealing with traffic. If you're commuting during school hours, slow down in school zones. It's not just a suggestion, it's the law. And watch out for school buses. If those stop signs swing out, you must stop, no exceptions. Also, avoid distractions. Put the phone away. Even a few seconds of looking down can be enough to miss a child crossing the street. Now, here in Buffalo, we deal with wintry weather that can make it more difficult for us to stop when a pedestrian suddenly appears. I know we all take pride in our ability to drive in the snow here, but let's not get carried away driving like it's 70 degrees and sunny in the middle of a snowstorm. Finally, it goes without saying that speeding and driving under the influence of any amount of drugs or alcohol are out of the question. For parents, if your child is under 10 years old, make sure they have an adult with them anytime they're out in the streets. For kids over 10, make sure your kids know these 5 basic rules before sending them out to navigate busy streets. Number 1, look both ways, and then look again. Number 2, use crosswalks every single time. Number 3, never run in the street. Number 4, stay alert and make eye contact with drivers before crossing in front of vehicles. And number 5, put away devices and remove headphones. Finally, if your kids are biking to school, helmets are a must. And remember, here in Buffalo, it gets dark early in the winter. Making sure your kids are dressed in bright clothing or reflective gear helps drivers see them, especially on those darker early mornings. And if, God forbid, an accident does happen, here's what you need to do. Number 1, call 911 immediately to get help on the scene. Number 2, document everything. Take photos, get contact info from witnesses, and write down what happened. Then, number 3, call a personal injury attorney, someone who understands the local laws and can protect your family's rights. At Hiller Comerford, we're proud to represent families in Buffalo and Western New York. If your child has been injured in a school zone or traffic-related incident, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll walk you through your options and fight for the justice you deserve. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more legal tips and local updates. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I do read them. For more info or to schedule a free consultation, visit hillercomerford.com or call 1-866-HILLER-LAW. Stay safe out there, Buffalo, and let's have a great school year.